to my channel. So I am currently in one of the most famous spots on Kauai. This is called the Napali Coast. 我的朋友，很多 DJ 朋友 they're gonna throw a party at this beach. 他们要 play music until like sunrise. 现在是7点，所以他们要 DJ 到早晨。So it's really long period of time. 这是他们的 camping site. So you can see all the tents, and this is the Napali Coast, and it's really here. 这里太美丽了. And look at the highlights of my hair. I can't wait to just spend a night here, enjoy the ocean, and be connected to Mother Nature and the moon. Good morning. 所以现在早晨，昨天 party 到 I don't know. 现在早上5点。It's crazy. This place is so pretty. Look at this.
Yeah, we're chilling.
Next, I am going to take you guys with me hunting. In Hawaii, they use dogs to hunt wild pigs. I feel very lucky that I was able to be taken by my Hawaiian friend to experience this.
Thank you.
Oh, he...
Let's get it, boy.
My friend uses his phone to track the dog's locations. I'm extremely grateful that I was able to have the experience about the Hawaiian culture. So we were at this coffee farm. 这算一个私人土地秘密基地，所以我不能公开这里的地点。But Kauai is known for its coffee beans. We produce a lot here. How using dogs to hunt works is the dogs chase the pig, you chase the dogs pin down the pig, which you finish off with the knife. Oh my god. The dogs had accidentally killed this baby pig that was just born like 2 hours ago. My friend told me I was smiling because I had never held a baby pig before, but I was crying the entire time. 如果有这个的路
Just stay like this.
打猎要抽烟是因为烟会把体味盖掉，所以猪就闻不到。I do not like or support any animal suffering, but the natural way in which you witness killing your own food and getting it yourself is so much better than buying bulk at grocery stores. We should all know where our food comes from. It's not just bacon on my plate. It is an actual being with feelings that experience pain. They want to be treated the same way that we treat our dogs and cats. They want to be loved. No being comes into this life wanting to suffer or be killed. Yes, going hunting means killing animals, but isn't it better than carelessly eating the animal and not be thankful for its life? We should all do our very best to buy meat from organic, free-range farms where the animals are raised humanly and happily.
Then they harvest the boulders.
This is a lookout. Just if you drive down there, you will see a lookout. You can like park here. North Shore 是比较白人、比较 tourist 的地方，然后那里可以冲浪。Hanalei Bay is very popular, and there's also a lot of cute restaurants there. They have beautiful hikes. So, and our plan today is just to go chill at Hanalei Bay and go to like the town and eat some food. Yeah. The Kalalau Trail is an 11-mile trail that leads from Kalalau Beach to Kalalau Beach along the Napali Coast. It is a must hike if you come to Kauai. And it will get you super exhausted. The steps, the hike 都是有一些楼梯，然后有一些石头 like that. If you want to do this hike, you have to do it early in the morning, and you would need to reserve a parking or a bus shuttle permit online beforehand as they sell out quickly. The first mile of the trail is a steady uphill climb up with rocks. After a bit of the climb, you are treated first views of the coastline. If you take a boat, you can see it from all the way there. 走到2 迈有海边，再走4 迈会到瀑布。On the way, there's a lot of bamboo trees. 上面都有刻字，这些 bamboo 上。是石头路，看起来这样有点高难度。On the way to the falls, there's this little pond that you can jump in.